Your lawn is looking great. It's green. It's thick. What could be better? Well, that is all about to change if you don't do these three things. In today's video, I want to give you some tips on some things you can do right now to help make sure your lawn continues to look great from the rest of spring all the way into summer. Early spring is prime time for growing grass. Temperatures have been mild, bugs and pests really aren't a concern. Heck, even your neighbors who don't take care of their lawns, yeah, they're even looking good. But again, that is all about to change. So you need to prepare now before the bugs and the heat show up and ruin your beautiful lawn. Tip number one is you need to start raising your mower height. Lawn care in the spring is perfect conditions for growing grass. The mild temperatures, the beautiful sunshine, the good rainfall, all make it pretty easy for growing a beautiful lawn. But as summer approaches, that is going to change. In the spring, mowing height really isn't as important as it is in the summer. Because once the heat sets in, that relentless sunshine, the humidity, and the longer periods of dry weather show up, yeah, you're gonna need longer grass blades. Because the longer grass blades actually shade the roots and they provide a moisture reserve for the plant, giving more surface area for the plant to retain its nutrients and water. So before the heat sets in, slowly start raising your mower height and make sure that it reaches the maximum recommended mowing height for your grass type. Tip number two is to get down a preventative grub application. June bugs, as we call them in the South, can wreak havoc on your lawn in the summer. Now, it's not actually the beetle themselves that are the issue, it's their larvae, and the larvae have been laying under your lawn since last year. And when the time is right, they're going to come up from deeper under the surface of the ground to the roots of your grass when they're ready to feed. And that is going to leave you with dead grass and brown spots all over your beautiful lawn. A simple application of imidacloprid or acelepryn right now will break the cycle and keep your lawn green and worry-free. But the key is, whatever product you choose, you have to get it watered in after you apply. Tip number three is to start your preventative fungicide program. Now look, it doesn't have to be complicated either. I use a two-pronged approach. I recommend using products with active ingredients, propiconazole and azoxystrobin, and that will provide you with a broad spectrum control. Now, applying both of these at the same time at a low rate every 28 days. And then once the fungus pressure gets high, you can then move to every 14 days. Now, this strategy is perfect for controlling the most popular lawn diseases like brown patch, gray leaf spot, or dollar spot. A preventative fungicide program keeps your lawn green, healthy, and growing. Now that you have completed these three steps, you can sit back, relax, knowing that your lawn is going to be green all summer long. And if you want to learn more about DIY lawn care, check out the next video. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.